What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today I have finally received my grips for my Beretta M9A4, and we're gonna go ahead and put these grips on here. By saying that the grips that come standard on this weapon are freaking awesome. The grip is by far one of the better grips I've felt on a gun, and I really, if I couldn't find any grips that I like, would leave these on here, because these are not bad grips at all. These are not bad grips at all. Now, the grips that I have to go on here, I had these grips made in, they're from Helsinki, Finland. Helsinki, Finland. Here, let me let you guys take a look at this. All right, this is the War Chief. The War Chief grips. War Chief grips. And I am about to put the War Chief onto the Beretta M9A4. And let's see exactly how she looks with the War Chief grips on them. All right, first off, let me take the old grip off. All right, let's get over the holes. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. I am liking it. I am liking it so far. Let's screw this back down. All right, there it is so far. Oh yeah, those are awesome. Here's the other side without. Here it is with. Let's go ahead and change this other side out. All right, here you go. This is the Beretta M9A4 with the War Chief grips. War Chief grips on them, and I must say I love it. I love it. It, takes away that big area of plain and adds something completely awesome. And these were made in Helsinki, Finland. Helsinki, Finland. It took me over a month and a half to get them. About a month and a half. It took a while, but these are the War Chief grips. War Chief grips, and that's not what they call them, but that's what I call them. The War Chief grips, and I love the way it looks on it. I absolutely love the way it looks on it. All right, the manufacturer of these grips is Dead Reds, and the guy that makes them is actually from Masala, Finland. And you when you buy these, they're going to have to go through customs and everything to get here. And I can tell you, it is well worth the wait. The quality of these grips are awesome, and they're not flat. I don't know if you can see that. They are not flat. You can feel it, and it gives grip. the actual texture of this gives grip, and it's kind of hard to explain without you putting your hands on it, but it is awesome. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. So here it is, the new grips on the Beretta M9A4, and this is the Centurion model. This is not the full size. This is the Centurion model. And some of the other things that you may see is I have a magwell magazine extension, have the competition trigger, have the Balder Pro, and I have the compensator on it. Hit me in the comments, tell me what sight you think I should put on this one. Give me a sight idea, and you know, I'll go ahead and find a sight to put on here. So hit me in the comments and let me know. And for those of you who have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe buttons, hit notifications, and you know, see the journey that I finish. You know, see the journey I'm taking this on, see the finish of this journey, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Johnny Snow about it.